guys, good morning everyone. Our recipe for today is vegetarian scallop. So this is what we need, guys. It's only for 20 minutes. It's very easy to. So it's salad, it's potato, ciboulette, tomato, cream, cucumber, and our vegetarian scallop. So let's go, let's go. And guys, it's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye for now. It's me again, Piyanga. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye 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 bye.